You can forget your mother tongue because the most important language in the age of AI is prompt engineering code. So if you really want to bring your prompt engineering for ChatGPT, GPT-4, Midjourney, and others to the next level, this tool will help you. By the way, this is the course with which I learned prompting a few months ago. Please don't rage quit out of my video, but I still need to quickly explain what prompt engineering actually is. So whether you want to use GPT, Stabledifussion, or other AI software, you'll need a language to communicate it. The words you are using for that are called prompts. To make this prompts most effective, people use certain methods, which is called prompt engineering. So this free online course on how to learn prompting is called Learn Prompting. Pretty easy to remember, right? The link is in the description. I know you can't wait to try it out, but let me give you some information that no one should miss. At the end of the video, I will also share one secret information about this tool which could change your career forever. This prompt engineering course can teach you not only the basics of prompt engineering, but also pretty advanced stuff. And there are a lot of use cases for it, from prompting for software development to writing emails to AI art generation. You can find every detail about it on this online course. Before I share my secret information, I want to give a quick reminder to subscribe to this channel and leave a comment under the video. I would really appreciate that. But now, I think I have some really cool information for you and I am excited about it. So I am part of the Discord for the Learn Prompting course, and I actually saw many really cool job offerings on this Discord for prompt engineering. So if you want to make this your business, I think that's the place to go. The Discord link is on the prompt engineering course homepage. Now to the final rating. What rating from 1 to 10 will I give to the prompt engineering course? Because you can use the prompts for so many different AI programs like ChatGPT, Stabledifussion, and so on, and because it is completely free, I will give it a rating of 10 out of 10. See you in the next video.